Hey, what's up, good people? It's your boy Larry Jones. How are you? Hey, I'm just stopping in this Sunday morning and on my way to church, and I just want to say, hey, let's think about protecting our dreams. All right, we know what's going on with the stock market, though crypto is making a run. Crypto has been good for those of you that's been following the crypto moves. We've been killing it, and let's just keep that going. But I just want to talk to you real briefly about something that's very, very, very important, and it's about protecting your dreams. Um, there's a story in a great book about Joseph, and so Joseph was the youngest son of many, and he was the favorite son, so his dad gave him a coat, right? And his coat had many colors, but his brothers were jealous of him. And they weren't just jealous of him, they were jealous of his dreams, because in his dreams, he was dreaming that he was going to have authority over them. So they feared him. He was having big dreams, and they feared not just him, good people, but they feared his dreams, right? And so that's why I'm titling this Dream Killers. You got a lot of dream killers out there, right? They're saying don't invest your money. Don't think about long-term growth. Man, just buy you a car. Just buy you some $300 sneakers. Just get you that nice car. Don't save any money. These are brokers. I always say everybody got brokers, right? Everybody's got brokers. You got real estate brokers, and you got financial brokers, but you also have life brokers. These are the people that are broke and they want you broker, right? And so we got to shake those people off and keep it moving. But getting back to the dreams, they literally tried to kill their own brother because more than fearing him, they feared his dreams, right? And so there's power in dreams. So I want you guys to literally dream about your finances, dream about your family, dream about generational wealth. Without a vision, people perish. Dream about you having enough money to do everything that you want to do. Dream about your kids and your grandkids, not worrying about money. No, money's not the answer to all things, but it'll help a lot of things, okay? So I just want you guys to just dream today, right? And then while we're dreaming, we're going to continue to learn. Now is the time to start balancing your boat, balancing your portfolios, setting it up on a firm foundation, having the right stock in there. And I'm going to start making some videos about it. I know my videos are probably not going to get a lot of hits because I'm going to be talking about some foundational stocks and where we need to be diversified in our portfolios. So then when the bull market starts again, which it will, now we'll be set up on a firm foundation, and we will be on a path towards financial independence. But we got to set the boat up right. We got to balance the boat, good people. I also wanted to say that come join me if you want more inspirational stuff. I do have a Instagram page. My Instagram page is Larry Jones TV. I have a link provided below, or you can see the link on the page. I did have to change it. There's some false stock up with Larry Jones Instagram pages. There's some false Larry Jones, Uncle Larry pages. There's false ones of those. But I'm the only one so far that has Larry Jones TV on Instagram. I got a link provided below. Join me over there also, fam. I got the link straight now. And we're going to make money. We're going to stay positive. And we're going to keep it moving. All right. See you guys.